Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how I achieve my wash and go during these colder months using TréLuxe. I recently got introduced to this brand and been loving them, so I'm super excited to partner up with TréLuxe to share with you how I achieve my wash and go using their incredible products. So as you can see, my hair is dry thanks to this good old winter weather. So we're gonna fix this with the TréLuxe products. So first up, I'm gonna be using their Curl, Renew, and Restore. This is a sulfate-free cleansing rinse, and it's formulated to gently cleanse and remove buildup, but also replenishing your hair with moisture. It also makes it very easy to detangle my hair. It gave it a lot of slip. So that's all I need to do for that wash, because I'm gonna follow up with their Untie the Knot leave-in conditioner. This is gonna pack your hair with moisture, also making it really easy to detangle your hair while adding softness to it. It has really great ingredients like aloe leaf juice, coconut milk. There's even avocado and broccoli seed oil in it. So this stuff is all really natural. That's what I like about this brand. For my styler, I'm going to use the TréLuxe High Definition Curl Enhancer Styling Gel. I'm going to make sure my hair is nice and soaked with water and then go in with the gel. I like to make sure my hair is nice and wet. This just kind of helps avoid frizz when doing a wash and go, because when my hair is kind of damp, my hair, when it's dry, tends to be very frizzy. So when it's really soaking wet, when I apply the product, I have better results. Listen, I don't usually use gels in the winter, but this gel is on another level. It gives an incredible hold without leaving your hair feeling dry or crunchy. It gives so much shine to your hair, and it has great natural ingredients like avocado extract, honey extract, and even sage extract, and it's just great for our curls. This brand is all about taking care of our curls and making sure we're able to retain that moisture and just have our hair as healthy as possible. So after diffusing on medium-low heat, my hair is dry. So I'm gonna go put my makeup on, and then I'm gonna fluff away so I can have tons of volume, because I love volume. You can skip this step. You know, everyone has their preference when it comes to their final results, but I like big hair. Here are my wash and go results after using the TréLuxe products. I love that I had volume, I love that I had definition, and the better part is this lasted me 6 days. The hold was incredible. So I'm going to leave all the product info down in the description box, so definitely check that out. Also in the comments, let me know if you've ever used TréLuxe products, which products you have used or want to try. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.